Need an immediate and reliable Locksmith Doncaster? Your local locksmith delivers responsive and professional locksmith services across Doncaster for residential, commercial and automotive clients. Whether you are locked out, require lock repairs, need rekeying after a property change, or want to upgrade to high security or digital locking systems, our licensed technicians provide efficient and compliant solutions. As a trusted Locksmith Doncaster, we focus on non-destructive entry, where possible, transparent pricing and consistent service standards. We support homeowners, property managers and business operators with structured security solutions that protect assets and maintain access control. For dependable locksmith services in Doncaster, contact your local locksmith today. Visit www.yourlocallocksmith.com.au or call 04 7383 1734 for professional assistance and a detailed quote.